I forgot to look to see if the Go Ultra is on sale. I'm heading out again and I gotta get to Lowe's. I'm looking for drop ceiling metal that I could put in the barrels and make a dome that just simply goes over, and put plastic to protect the sedum for over a harsh winter we're expecting, they say. And I may just move the barrel, maybe put it in the back or put it to the side and put the little tree shrubs that I grew from a twig in its place or not. I do want to look at vinyl tiles, white, and that match the marble, the one in the upstairs bathroom, which I don't think I could find my cutter to cut out and put on. But that'd make it a lot heavier, the piece of wood, and trouble hanging it up thereafter. I would have to, again, modify it once more. And I could do landscape or portrait. And that's something I'm planning to do for like a little workshop. A vanity that I should have put in its place one or two less vinyl tiles, if asked. And this way, it'll look like a bathroom or something I can hang things up on when I do 3-tier, single-tier, or bathroom light fixtures, that is. I don't think I need anything else besides those two things. But again, I gotta go to Lowe's. I could go to Home Depot, but I am going to go to Lowe's. I gotta get my walker out. I say walker. It's called the treadmill fish. And I'm gonna walk on her. That's why I called it a walker. There'd be a day or two to do my wee hour biking. But biking would be during the day. I gotta find fingerless gloves in the house. I just can't find them again. So as we ride along, head along, what are those signs? There's a sign for gasoline at $2.95. Do we need gas? I'm on full. As we go, what's that? I saw a Porsche. He was so noisy, but he shut it off when he went by. Everyone's putting out a video, an Action 6 Pro, and yet there is no news. The only news is I went to Lowe's today, and I don't know if I want to go get a DJI Osmo Nano, because I could go get myself a Dream Leptic Cube for less money and more features and functions of the same camera. I forgot my phone. I didn't forget my camera. Camera does everything almost like a phone does. So let's turn around and get on going. Maybe we see the abominable, I can't say it, the snowman. There he is, big as can be. Big man indeed. Giant. What was I coming here for? Two things, and I totally forgot one. I'm gonna forget it for sure. I didn't forget. I just gotta go find where it's at. I got tiles. I need vinyl. I think I'm in the right area. Oh, here we go. Perfect. I need a couple of these. Strike two. I want straight wire, 3-footers. One tile, don't cut it. Round piece of metal, don't cut it. I gotta Home Depot. I mean, I'm going back years ago with a straight wire for drop ceilings. And it wasn't at Lowe's where I bought it. I bought it at Home Depot. So yeah, it's a long trip. By the time I shut this camera off, I'm at Home Depot. I don't know Why they're waving to me? They just wave. People love waving. Well, they're laborers. You need something to be done, they could do it for you. At least Home Depot's got flowers still out. Yeah, buy some mums. I gotta take a trip to the big Home Depot. This one just don't have what I want. This is mini Home Depot, like a mini mart. They get little things, not the big things. They did have the tile section, and they did have the drop ceiling section, but limited. Off I go. I'll get it later. This block is beautiful. Tree covering and all. Well, wait for Christmas time when it snows down it. What's happening? Why the slowness? I just love the sun beaming in the eyes. It's gonna turn, it's gonna beam in my eyes. Well, another day, another time, another share, another story. As simple as that, and waste my time going to the local. Have a great one. See you on the next one.